Good afternoon, Amundson's class.
Good afternoon, Mr.
3.3 equivalent fractions. Can you find equivalent fractions?
Yes.
All right, let's talk vocab here first. Fraction, there's 3 definitions. The first definition says fractions live between what 2 numbers?
0 and 1.
Second one says fractions are part of a...
Whole number.
Remember, the whole number we're talking about is the number 1. 1 is a whole number, the whole number. And then a fraction, probably the most important thing that you're going to learn all day today. A fraction is what kind of problem?
Division problem.
What's the top of the fraction called?
Numerator.
What's the bottom called?
Denominator.
Do these 2 pizzas look the same?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Okay. This pizza has this half shaded in, yes?
Yes.
This pizza has 2 of the 4 pieces shaded in. Do they look pretty close to the same?
Yes.
We know they're the same because there's an equal sign there, right?
Yes.
Is this a half a pizza?
Yes.
Is this 2/4 of a pizza?
Yes.
Do they mean the exact same thing?
Yes.
Are they equivalent fractions?
Yes.
What is another name? What is another word for reduce?
Simplify.
What's another word for simplify?
Reduce.
So if you're going to simplify something, you're going to make it more simple, or if you're going to reduce something, you're going to make it smaller looking, right?
Yes.
Fractions must always be in what terms?
Lowest term.
To reduce fractions, what do we do?
Divide by the numerator.
No, stop. Let's try again. To reduce fractions, what do we do?
Divide the numerator by the denominator.
By what kind of factor?
Common.
So let's talk just this one right here. 3/9. What goes into 3 and 9? What does it say? What is it showing you? What number goes into 3 and 9?
3.
We proved it over here by using our T-charts, right?
Yes.
We found all the factors of 3 and all the factors of 9.
Yes.
1 and 3 are the only ones that work, but 1 it's not going to do anything for us. It's not going to change anything, right?
Yes.
So class, if 3 is a common factor for 3 and 9, what's 3 divided by 3?
1.
Say again.
1.
So if we divide the top by 3, we also need to divide the bottom by 3. What's 9 divided by 3?
3.
So is 3/9 and 1/3 the exact same?
Yes.
Just like the pizzas I showed you above, right?
Yes.
Can you reduce fractions more than one way?
Yes.
This fraction, 12/18, reduces to 2/3, and we just use 6 as a divider, yes?
Yes.
But 12/18, same exact fraction, we had to use 2, and we also had to use 3, because when we used 2, this fraction wasn't all the way reduced, was it?
No.
No, it wasn't. So you can reduce fractions using common factors, either the greatest common factor or smaller ones. Can you find equivalent fractions using multiplication?
Yes.
Okay, so really quick. In order to find an equivalent fraction using multiplications, what do we multiply by? No, we can multiply by 2, but in general, we multiply by, no, any, well, we multiply by 2, but we multiply by 3, we multiply by 1,000. What else could we multiply by? 1,000,000. What else can we multiply by? So basically what I'm asking you is you can multiply the top number and the bottom number of a fraction to make an equivalent fraction by anything. Thank you, Nim. You can multiply it by any number, right? As long as it's the same on the top and the bottom. Make sense? So to reduce, you divide by the same number. To multiply or to find an equivalent fraction by making it bigger, you multiply, yes?